I admire a lot of nationalities, but the Chinese and the Germans, for me, they come top. They are the smartest mind who I bought from my Abu Dhabi building that was built 15-story in 12 days.
It was fascinating to see 12 days a building was built.
Thanks to the Chinese.
Unbelievable.
Like who will anybody believe 15 stories in 12 days? Like unimaginable.
Absolutely.
But this guy is easy for him because he does 30 stories in 30 days. So 15 story in 12 days is like he's just having his coffee.
Chairman Al-Abar, the visionary developer behind the Burj Khalifa and the founder of Emaar Properties, didn't just choose this technology on a whim. He traveled to Changsha, China, twice to witness the production line himself. His goal? To solve the impossible triangle of construction: high quality, low cost, and extreme speed. In the UAE, where construction often relies on massive amounts of foreign labor and harsh outdoor conditions, the living building offers a radical alternative. It's a 100% prefabricated residential innovation that adheres to the strictest UAE fire and safety codes, which are, in many respects, even more rigorous than European or American standards. But why did the world's most famous developer bet on a building made of stainless steel? To understand the living building, you have to look at its DNA. Most buildings today are made of reinforced concrete, a material that is heavy, carbon-intensive, and prone to cracking over time. Broad Group spent 16 years and over $1.1 billion developing the B-Core slab. This is a stainless steel sandwich. It consists of 2 plates of premium stainless steel held together by thousands of tiny core tubes. The secret is the hot air brazing process. Using a massive furnace, the plates are fused with the core tubes at high temperatures. The result? A structure that is 10 times lighter than concrete, but 100 times stronger. Because it's made of stainless steel, it is virtually immune to corrosion. While traditional buildings are designed to last 50 to 70 years, Broad Group claims the living building has a lifespan of 1,000 years. It's not just a home, it's a legacy. And in terms of safety, it's designed to withstand magnitude 9.0 earthquakes because the entire structure is flexible and ductile. It bends, but it never breaks. The most shocking part of this technology is where it's built. 95% of the construction happens in a factory. Walking through the Broad Group facility is more like visiting a Tesla gigafactory than a construction site. There are 28 production lines, 1,000 workers, and 46 specialized robots working in harmony. Every single detail, from the structural steel and the plumbing to the electrical wiring and the interior finishes, is installed on a moving assembly line. This is called real estate globalization. By moving the work indoors, Broad Group eliminates the variables of weather and human error. High-precision sensors inspect every weld, every pipe, and every window. Every 20 minutes, a new beam is produced. Every 2 minutes, a floor slab is completed. This level of precision allows for a Lego-style assembly on site that is breathtaking to watch. But how do you get a skyscraper from China to Abu Dhabi? You fold it. Each module of the living building is designed to match the dimensions of a standard 40-foot shipping container. Once it's finished in the factory, the walls and balconies fold down. It is then loaded onto a truck, put on a ship, and sent 9,000 kilometers across the sea. When it arrives at the construction site, a crane hoists the module into place, and workers unfold it. There is no welding on site, just high-strength bolts. This is why a 15-story building can be finished in 96 hours. In the UAE project, 150 residential units were stacked and secured in record time, proving that you can literally download a city from a factory and install it anywhere in the world. Fast construction usually implies cheap or temporary, but the interior of the living building tells a different story. In the desert heat of the Middle East, Insulation is everything. The living building features 22 centimeters of rock wool insulation and 4-paned ultra-clear glass windows. This combination reduces air conditioning energy consumption by a staggering 90%. Then there's the air. Broad Group's roots are in air conditioning, and it shows. Each unit is equipped with a clean, fresh air system that filters out 99.9% of PM 2.5 and pollutants. Even in a sandstorm or a polluted city, the air inside is hospital-grade pure. The layout is also revolutionary. Because the B-core slab is so strong, there are no load-bearing walls inside the units. You can move walls, combine rooms, or change the entire layout of your apartment as your family grows. It is a living building in every sense of the word. The living building isn't just about building faster. It's about solving the global housing crisis. By turning construction into a manufacturing process, we can provide high-quality, sustainable homes to millions of people at a fraction of the environmental cost. No more concrete waste, no more decades of construction noise. As we see in the UAE, the world's most elite developers are already making the switch. From China to the Middle East, the era of the industrialized home has arrived. So I have to ask, if you could have your dream home manufactured and delivered to your lot in 24 hours, would you do it? Or do you still believe in the permanence of brick and mortar? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If you want to see more engineering marvels that are changing our world, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Don't forget to give this video a like if you learned something new today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.